皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Powerful earthquake strikes northern Japan. March 16th, 2022, 1:21 p.m. Update March 16th, 2022, 8:43 p.m. VOA News. Scattered goods caused by an earthquake are seen at a convenience store in Sendai, Miyagi Prefecture, Japan, March 17th, 2022, in this photo taken by Kyoto. Kyoto/via Reuters. A 7.4 magnitude earthquake that struck Wednesday night off the coast of Fukushima, Japan, killed 2 people, injured about 100 and left more than 2 million without electricity in the Tokyo area. The quake struck at a depth of 60 kilometers at 11:36 p.m. local time, the Japan Meteorological Agency said. The agency issued a tsunami warning for parts of Miyagi and Fukushima prefectures. It was lifted early Thursday. Waves of 30 centimeters were recorded in Ishinomaki, about 390 kilometers northeast of Tokyo. In March 2011, the same area was devastated by a 9.0 magnitude quake and subsequent tsunami, which killed thousands and led to a meltdown at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant. Parts of the area remain uninhabitable because of the elevated radiation. The Tokyo Electric Power Company Holdings, operator of the Fukushima plant, said workers found no abnormalities. Damage was reported in Fukushima City, where the walls of a department store fell and broken glass littered the ground near the main train station. Cracks appeared in roads, and underground pipes spewed water. Authorities were assessing damage, Chief Cabinet Secretary Hirokazu Matsuno said, warning of the possibility of aftershocks and urging people to use caution. We are doing our utmost in rescue operations and putting people's lives first, he said. Some information for this report came from the Associated Press.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。